This is the espresso machine that I use every day. This is a machine that I restored 3 years ago and that lived in the lounge at my office until COVID started. And this is my latest project, a 1983 Elektra A3. My wife doesn't drink coffee, neither do my children. In my house, that makes for a ratio of 6 coffee groups per person, which to me doesn't seem unreasonable, but my wife disagrees. Why would anyone take on this kind of project? Parts are hard to find, it's completely impractical, and with a 220-volt electrical system, potentially dangerous. But I mean, just look at it. Passion projects like these are never taken on because it's the sensible thing to do. Then again, having a commercial-grade coffee machine in your kitchen isn't sensible either. They're expensive, huge, and very finicky. But when you get it right, there's nothing like it. Only when you taste that liquid gold after the satisfying process of making it correctly does everything come together. We need these types of experiences, where we risk living life just going through the motions, never giving up convenience, because experiencing something beautiful is too much work.
I really hope that you'll join me in the process of rebuilding this thing. It's going to be pretty epic. But if you happen to have any information about this thing, like a wiring diagram or where I can get parts, please leave a comment down below. In the next episode, I'm going to start taking this thing apart, looking at all the parts that need to be cleaned and replaced. So if you like what you see, please feel to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in a couple weeks.